Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Mayflower Motel Milford. It's a 1-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Mayflower Motel Milford is located in Milford. Free Wi-Fi access is available. Each room features a private bathroom that includes a shower. Other facilities offered at the property include a 24-hour front desk, laundry facilities and meeting facilities. An array of activities can be enjoyed on site or in the surroundings, including golfing. The property offers free parking. Located in Milford, this motel is close to Westfield Connecticut Post Mall. Area attractions also include Yale Bowl and Silver Sand State Park. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.